What's up?
I'm feeling a bit flat.
Oh, they're not listening, are they?
We're always ignored. The TPMS lights come on and everything, but we still don't get any attention.
Yeah, I'm not feeling great either. I'm going bald. It's no laughing matter. I can't stop as fast as I used to. Especially in the wet.
They seem to care more about how clean the car is, not how safe it is. The correct tyre pressure settings are easy to find in the vehicle manual, filler cap or online. Surely checking once a month and before a long journey isn't asking too much. Think how much safer they would be.
How about adjusting pressure levels depending on the load we're going to carry?
No chance. Not sure this one even knows the 20p test to check tread depth. All they have to do is pop a 20p piece into the tyre's tread at several points. If you can see the border, the tyre could be illegal. So get it checked out. Simple.
Could save them from a nasty fine.
Or a nasty incident.
It's even easier to spot if there's something wrong with our general condition. I wouldn't mind someone taking a look at this bulge in my side.
Don't want to worry you, but sounds like a specialist job to me. Any bulges or cuts should get checked out by a tyre professional.
Oh well, maybe next time.
Look, we're stopping. You don't think they've stopped ignoring us, do you?
Yes! Yippee!
Hooray!
Safe tyres, save lives!